Welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change ruler into inches. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive right in. In order to add ruler into inches, you can simply go to the resize option over here first. Let's tap in there. It's loading, so let's hit that resize option. Let's go to customize size. And here comes the width, height, and unit. So these are the ruler. You can simply tap into the units and go to the inches, that is IN, and tap in that option. And okay, in order for this to be apply here, you have to have the Canva Pro version. I do not have the Canva Pro version, unfortunately, but I'm hoping you have one. So if you have one, you can simply tap in here and get that, and that way you can turn your ruler into inches. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.